and welcome back to another video. This week we are pretty much getting the Supra ready to go to Cars and Coffee. We're not going to have it painted by then, but that's okay because it still actually looks pretty decent without paint on it, but that'll probably come within the next couple of weeks. So it's basically getting a lot of stuff done, like putting parts on that it needs to have to be road legal and finishing the quarter panels and stuff because we gotta get that done. But as you can see, I've got all this stuff on already. You'll see me put that on later in the video. But yeah, it is coming along very well. I don't know yet 100% if it's gonna get driven this weekend, but I think it's pretty safe to say that it is going to most likely be driven by next week, which I'm super excited about. So yeah, stick around for next week's video because it is going to be a huge video. Car meet at my house and cruising to Cars and Coffee. Cars and Coffee, hopefully with the Supra, and then yeah, me driving it for the first time and all that good stuff. So I'm super excited for it. It's gonna be a really fun, really awesome day. So yeah, get right into this video and I hope you guys enjoy. Alright, so we figured out there's no way we're going to get this painted before Cars and Coffee this weekend, but we still want to bring it. So what we have decided to do is, or at least what we're going to try to do, is put enough parts back on this so we can drive it, and then we'll bring it there, we'll bring it back, take the parts off, and then further get it ready for getting it painted. I'm going to throw on a few parts. I know you have to put the mirrors on, put the taillights on. I'm going to put a couple extra little things on. It's just easy because I can easily take it all off. So it won't be done when it goes to Cars and Coffee, but we're still going to try and take it to Cars and Coffee for the first time this weekend. And then next month in September, we will take it again in its final form, where it will be fully painted, fully done, everything will be nice and ready to go. So yeah, that is our plan right now. So I'm gonna get this thing ready and do a little bit more work on it, add some parts so we can at least drive it, or at least try to drive it. So yeah, that is my plan right now. If you guys want to keep your paintbrushes still good, just put it in a plastic bag and throw it in the freezer and make sure it's sealed, because this one still works. Alright guys, right now what we are going to do is we are going to primer all the bare metal areas on the car so they don't rust. So we've got some masking set up around, and we're going to keep it contained, make sure it doesn't get on the new paint, and yeah, let's do it. Alright, so I've had the original tool bag in my car for a while. I have the other one as well. I have all the tools, I just took them out so I can clean this. Right now I'm going to take this inside and clean it up, try and make it look a little bit nicer, because This thing is really, really cool. It is all original. All the tools are original. This thing's just awesome, so I want to clean it up and make it look nice. Alright, to get the car ready for this weekend, I am going to start putting parts on. I'm going to put the fuel door on, the marker lights, the tail lights. I am going to throw the wing on just because it's the wing and it looks awesome. It really is a huge part of this car's look. I'm not going to throw the door handles on because I'm not completely sure how to do it, but we will put them on later. But yeah, I'm just going to throw the things on that it needs for now. I'm not sure if we're going to throw the rear bumper on. We probably are just because it's safer. But yeah, we're going to start throwing some stuff on this thing and let's do it. Alright, that will be it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Supra is coming along very well, and it will most likely be driven within the next week or so. So yeah, I'm really excited. It's come such a long way. Yeah, it is coming along very well and very close to being done. Just got to get some paint on here, finish a couple things, and yeah, it will be good. So should be done very soon, and there will be a lot more videos to come when this car is done. Do a lot of cool, fun stuff with it, which I'm super excited about. So thank you for watching. To support the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. I will see you next week. I hope you have a great week. Bye. See you next week.